Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we've got a 2011 Honda CBR1000RR. This bike's got just a little over 16,000 miles on it and is in mint condition. We'll take a walk around it and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This bike is very clean. There's no damage on it that's been found. As you can see, the front end is in good shape. It's got a good front tire on it. Comes with a light smoke windscreen. It also has aftermarket grips and bar ends. Also comes with a tank pad, stomp grips. It also has a Woodcraft engine protector, along with the rear spool. This bike also has front spools on it. Then there's an has a fender eliminator on it. Again, there's a shot of the rear spool. There's the stomp grips. Aftermarket grip and bar end. And here's the front spools. Show you the miles now. 16,407 is what's on it. This Leader sport bike will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you'll get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.